It's interesting here because we're at the sort of western edge of the foothills. We're just transitioning into the mountains. So whenever you get an overlap of 1 or 2 or 3 ecoregions, you get incredible plant biodiversity.
But no bears.
But no bears. I'll go first.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. People see nature as a museum, and I like to break the wall of the path and step into the exhibit and touch it and smell it. Now, in this shady forest, look at this little spot here.
A mini meadow.
A mini meadow.
It's beautiful.
This dwarf dogwood, that little tiny center, is going to turn into little red berries, which are edible.
How do you know when something is toxic and when it's edible?
The key is being able to identify, right? This little plant here, these leaves are delightful as a salad green. They taste like green peas.
Really?
Peas, yeah.
Can I try one? It's like cilantro.
Okay.
Without the flavor.
Yeah.
The texture.
Can you see the little invisible animal trail down here? Just straight in front of us?
Can I see the invisible trail? No. Oh, whoa!
Exactly. This is a squirrel restaurant.
This is like a squirrel party central.
The squirrels live to be 7 or 9. And so this could be like 3 or 4 generations old. We could probably, if we could stick our hand down in here, probably go down like 2 feet.
Really?
Yeah, oh, and here comes Mama Squirrel right now. So, coming up on our right here is one of my favorite cuisines.
Oh.
And we have a little forest of it here. Oh. You have just discovered one of the most tasty wild edibles called fireweed. This is basically nature's wild asparagus. So when it's young, it's really nice raw. When it's older like this, it's still edible, steamed, cooked, boiled, soups, whatever.
Still a little tough. It's like lemongrass or something.
By going through and actually, you know, feeling the texture of different leaves and different plants, I think it's a really great way to really rewild ourselves and reconnect with the landscape and have a sensory adventure in nature. Does it feel smooth?
It does. It feels very smooth.
You've told me you've tried cow parsnip, so let's have a sample of some in this ecosystem. Bottoms up.
Cheers.
Cheers.
It'd be good sautéed with pierogies. And pierogies.
And pierogies.
With,
stuffed.
Stuffed with the cheese and the potato. Yeah, yeah.
Ooh. So in your adventure today, what'd you like about it?
The food.
Yes?
No, it's really interesting to learn about the different ecosystems living right next to each other.
You know, in preserving these large landscapes, we protect the plant foods, the plant habitats, the animal foods, the animal habitats, and the biodiversity of all species. Wilderness areas and animal homes need protection.
Well, thanks for showing me this one.
You're welcome. Thanks for giving me new ideas to cook with in the kitchen.